Most people wait for Monday morning before they start thinking about their week. Successful entrepreneurs prepare before the week begins. Sunday is a very powerful opportunity to reset and refocus. Review your collections, review your goals, review your challenges, and identify where improvements are needed. Preparation creates confidence. When you start the week with clarity, structure, and focus, you make better decisions and operate much more effectively. One of the biggest advantages in business is definitely consistency. And consistency starts with preparation. At QuinPay, we believe growth happens when entrepreneurs continue learning, improving, and staying disciplined. Use today to prepare mentally for the opportunities ahead. Reset, refocus, prepare to win the week ahead.